the binder for the Photoshop binder, and it actually does something that we cannot do in Photopea. But I found a way around it, and what we need to do is go back on canvas and look for this 11-sided star image. Now, in the first video, this wasn't here before. That's because I just realized it as I was going along. So when you open up Canvas for the first time, it should be there. Make sure you download the 11-sided star image, and then you'll see how we're going to use that in a second. So go back to Photopea. Right now it looks like this. What we're going to do first is rename this to retro shape, and then the next thing we will do is change this color. We're going to change it to a cyan blue type color. So what I'm going to do is double click this thumbnail, this small image right here, and then click on this colored square. Right now it's white, and then you can click around and we can change the color. I'm going to change it to a cyan blue color, maybe like this. Yeah. That's good. If you want to copy my hex code, you can. I believe that's a 00ABFF. If you want to get exact, if you just get close to my color, that's totally fine. And then the next thing that we will do is rasterize this layer. Rasterize it. If you want to get rid of this box, let me try to do this. You can try to click on these arrows right here and then close it. Yeah, that got rid of it. So that works. Do that. You can click on these arrows and close it like that. The next thing we'll do is rasterize this retro shape layer. So right click it like this, rasterize it, and it turns into a layer that we can select like that. The next thing that we will do is we will open up that star image that we downloaded. So go to File, Open and Place, and then look for your 11-sided star image and open it. And it's right here. The first thing we'll do is actually rasterize it so we can edit the image. So again, right click the 11-sided star, rasterize it, and then I'm going to get the Move tool, check the box, Transform Controls, and then bring it down to size. Make sure that when you are clicking and dragging the corners that you hold down the Shift key so it doesn't get stretched out like this. Hold down the Shift key as you're dragging so it keeps those proportions. Like that. I'm going to move it up here in the center. And then I'm going to click on the... Actually, I need to uncheck this box. So click on the Move tool, uncheck the box, and then get the Magic Wand tool, which might be hiding behind the Object Selection tool. Make sure you have this one selected, and then I'm going to start clicking around the outline of the star. So I'm going to click around here, that's good. Click around here, and then you can delete it, or you can edit and cut it. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. Let's see. Something happened. Oh, okay, it's clear. Okay, so I did edit and then clear like that. And then we do select and deselect like that. And then I'm going to go back to the Move tool, check the box that says Transform Controls. I'm going to turn on the retro, actually no, turn on the star guide. Yeah, the star guide. So we know exactly where to put it. You can't see the star guide right now because the retro shape is on top of the star guide. So put it beneath it, put it underneath it like that. And then click back to the star. We're going to resize the star the same size as this circle. So click on the Move tool again, click on transform controls, drag that corner down, hold down shift, just like this, and then we have to move it into the circle. Get as close as you can to make it inside the circle. I'm going to click on my magnifying glass so I can see, and then go back to the move tool, check that box, click the corner, hold down shift, and make it fit inside, just like that. And then we will click on the move tool, we will uncheck this box, and then we can hide the star guide. We don't need that anymore. Then we will click on the magic wand tool. We will make sure that this one is selected. Make sure the 11-sided star layer is selected. Click on the star itself, like that, so it outlines it. After you select it, hide the 11-sided star layer, like that, so now all you see is the outline. Click on the retro shape layer, and click on edit, and cut. Let's try cut. If not, we'll try clear. Okay, so cut worked, edit, and then cut. And then we can go to select and deselect. So now we have this. We cut out the star out of the retro shape, which is good. And then I can zoom out with the magnifying glass, just like that. And then the very last thing we'll do is turn down the opacity of this retro shape. So click on that layer, click on opacity. I'm going to type in 40%, just like that. And then let's stop right there.